Hi, I'm Parth. I'm a rising senior at Cupertino High School, and my main project is creating a robotic hand that's 3D printed. So what I have here is my second milestone, and what that essentially is getting all of the servos and the flex sensor circuit onto the glove. So what you can see here is the main difference from the last video was that I got all of the connections for the flex sensors onto this PCB here. So each finger has a flex sensor and the servos move correspondingly. So as you can see, when I move my hand, the servos are moving. So essentially how this works is that the flex sensors create a voltage divider, like I said before. So each flex sensor is essentially just a variable resistor, and as that's bent, the voltage drops more and more, and what happens is that the input in the Arduino changes, and you can use that input to set the degrees that the servo will turn. Now, what I did to make the flex sensor circuit was I soldered on all the ground cables together and all the power cables together, and then I also connected that to the 5-volt rail and the ground rail on the Arduino. And one important thing to note here is that the grounds were connected, so there's an external power source over here that connects to this rail, but the ground of this power source has to be connected to the ground of the Arduino. And that's some problem that I encountered, and that's why I couldn't originally make my project to work. But then once that happened, once I got that working, it was working fine. And another thing was that I think that I busted one of the pins. Pin 5 on my Arduino doesn't seem to work, so that was one of the other problems that I was running through. I tried to fix that by changing the pins, and all of the servos worked well. So yeah.